Hey y'all, welcome back or welcome to my channel. My name is Erica.
Reminiscing about the times we had.
I know I've been gone for like 3 weeks now since the last time I posted. It's probably gonna be 4 by the time this video come out, but y'all, the content is coming. And get into this hair. That's basically what this video is about. If y'all like this little look that I got going on, I did my own hair, but it's basically just gonna be a video of me doing my hair. Like, I never did braids on my own hair before, so and I don't know how to like grip without it, so I have rubber bands on them to, you know, keep them in place. But this is basically gonna be a video for people who don't know how to, you know, braid their hair or whatever. Just a quick easy way, because I did do some crochet in my hair and I did regular, like, you know, gripping it. Once I got the hang of it, I started doing it the regular way. But I do have a clip of me using the crochet needle just in case y'all want to see that. So let's get straight into the video. Okay y'all, right now I'm finishing up a braid. I already started. I had to really make sure I could do it alone before I got on here trying to teach somebody. So as far as parting, you could part your hair in all squares if you want to. I needed a little help in the back, that's why this is squared for me. But I did a heart on one side and triangles all the way through the top. And I also left that hair out in the front for my edges.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town.
I use Edge Effect Eco Styler Gel to help my hair blend with the braiding hair a little bit more.
Cumulus clouds all in the sky, ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruit.
Make sure you comb the product through. Now all I can say is split the hair to the thickness you desire.
Isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder. Baby, I want.
Smooth it out again if you have to. Now take the crochet needle and make sure the tip is closed. Put it through your hair underneath the rubber band.
Baby, I wonder, put your sweats on for me.
Once you put it through, open the tip and loop the hair on. Make sure you close it before pulling it through, because your hair is not going to stay.
I got the plug, I made the call for me.
Once you have it through enough, take one side of the braiding hair and pull it all the way through.
I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya.
Even it up if you have to, like, you know, straighten it up. It should look like this when you finish. Now separate the hair and start braiding.
Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill.
Oh, and this is the hair I'm using. I use 1 pack of the black and 1 pack of the blended, like the blonde blend. But good thing I had hair left over from like an older hairstyle, because I ran out of hair with like 3 braids left. And I was like, bro, if I have to go to the hair store, this is not it. Now I'm fixing up my edges. I did redo the ponytail so everything laid right. For my heart and the design on the side, I used the blonde blend. And on this one, I actually started doing a regular braiding method without the crochet needle. Just use your real hair as your third piece. I'm braiding underhanded right now, so I place the hair on top of the rubber band and basically using it as an anchor and just start braiding.
Let's take this overboard now. I want you to feel that heat, and we can ride the boogie, share that beat of love. I wanna ride.
I haven't mastered keeping all the hair even while I'm braiding, but I just keep braiding all the way down. I'm gonna let y'all see that one more time. I had to split the braiding hair into pieces to go with my real hair so the braid could stay like even all the way down. Splitting off the hair and like trying to make it all even probably take up like the most time, to be honest with you, and probably because like I don't really know how to do it just yet.
Broken up, you know the feelings deep inside. So what we've been through, I miss you.
I didn't think I would be able to braid the back ones like that, but I did it. My arms hurt, but I did it. Oh, and picture why I bought the black hair in like 24 inches and the gold blonde blend hair in 34 inches. So now my hair, my braids is different lengths. I would say the second longest part is braiding the hair all the way down. Oh, and something I also forgot to mention in like at the end of the video, whatever, I did dip my hair in like hot water to, you know, keep the braids together and stuff. And I went in and put some setting lotion, like the foam, all over it, and I was done. Y'all, I just did that whole process throughout my head. So altogether, this hairstyle took me personally about 7 hours because I started at like 1 something in the evening and finished at like 7. But I have a child, so I had to keep stopping and dealing with her, and then I thought I was about to run out of hair, and my mama reminded me that I had hair in my closet. So like, yeah, that whole process. But honestly, I think it would have took me, I would say maybe like 4 to 5 hours with parting my hair completely and then going in with everything. I think it would have took me about 4 to 5, but I felt like I did it still kind of fast for my first time. My sister-in-law asked me, because she saw my hair today, so she asked me how was I able to like grip it even with rubber band, because she can't get it. But I really can't explain it. You just put it over and just start braiding. I was so tired. I had to get up and stretch. And also, like, right now my tailbone is sticking out, but that's a story for another time. Now it's like, come to think about it, I had no business sitting on the floor this whole time with my tailbone sticking out like that. So y'all, around this part, I ended up not really having that much hair left, so I stopped recording. Alright y'all, so in that video I didn't necessarily like close it out, but yeah, like I said in the beginning, this is the finishing product. I put a little heart on the side. I don't know if y'all can see that. Well, y'all seen it in the video, but yeah, this is the end of the video. If y'all liked it, if y'all want more stuff like this, let me know. Comment below. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Go follow my social media and even leave me like suggestions or whatever on that too. And I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.
Reminiscing about the times we had.